That's how we're going to start the vlog. Just so you know.
All right, we're in Miami right now, boarding a flight. We're going to LA for two things. The Flip System, as you can see with the sweater, Flip System current students. We're doing a little networking event reception, and then the next day on Saturday, we have people that want to join, and we have a full day event again. So busy weekend this weekend. We have Eric's with me.
Hello, hello.
Lynn's here as well. She's going to talk a little bit about Martel Turnkey, and then Soma is around here somewhere. But we're about to board the flight, and we'll see you in LA. Flight was good.
Flight was horrible. Awesome.
All right, we just landed in LA. Everybody's here and made it. We're gonna get an Uber, head to the hotel. There's a couple other Flip System people there right now that are working. We're gonna go get some breakfast because it's a big time change. It's 10 in the morning. So we're gonna go grab some breakfast and work from the hotel.
Antoine, what's your favorite part about LA?
Leaving.
I'm fucking hungry. I couldn't sleep on the plane because the women were slapping their suitcases the entire time like they were in a band. The stewardesses. And then on top of it, the earphones wouldn't fucking work, so I couldn't listen to anything. Then on top of it, the Wi-Fi didn't work, so I couldn't work. And then on top of it, just, you know, I'm pissed. So I want to eat now.
That's true.
I'm fucking pissed.
You want to eat
That's
too?
great. We just landed. I'm so hungry and I'm so thirsty. And the flight was pretty good. There was no turbulence, and my meal was pretty good. I had a 3-course meal.
Wow, we're living very different lives. Were we on the same flight?
You had the quinoa.
My Wi-Fi was absolutely stunningly
why the fuck
perfect.
was your Wi-Fi okay?
I don't know. Better laptop and more expensive laptop. So
I don't think that's how it works.
the Wi-Fi was working immaculately. Got all my work done. It was terrific. Leaving the hotel, we're going to film a podcast, well, a couple different podcasts in Melrose, with some Flip System clients that also work at Flip System, and then also with a title company that we have partnered with. So about a 30-minute drive, gonna head over to the podcast. I'm excited to interview these guys. They're friends of mine, so it'll be fun.
Let's go. So, we're in downtown LA because that's where our hotel is right now. But if you look right across the street, that is where Antoine and I used to live. I lived there for like 4 years, and then Antoine moved in like, what, a year ago? Not a year ago.
I only lived there for a
We
year.
only lived there for a year.
Yeah.
But it's crazy being back here since we moved. We haven't seen it.
Nope.
And seeing LA since we moved too. It's pretty weird.
Yeah. Where to be back?
Hey, wait, hey.
I filmed a podcast here with a girl named Kinsey a long time ago, a couple years ago, I think. Some of those videos did pretty well as well, so I rented out the same studio. It's really nice, really good setup. And let's go check it out. Hey everybody, welcome back to the Martel and Friends podcast. So Connor, thanks for coming on the podcast today. Tell everybody a little bit about your real estate investing. So in the last 12 months, you've done 5 deals?
Yeah, so it was a very interesting journey, but obviously through Flip System, it's allowed me to successfully invest in real estate, where prior to I've never done any type of real estate deal. I had zero experience. And so in the last 12 months, I have done 5 full deals, from finding the property, fixing it up, and then putting a tenant in it and selling. 2 of my deals I have already fully flipped. 2 more I have renters in place, and I'm just collecting cash flow. And then I have another one right now that just hit the market that we're trying to decide if we want to flip it or if we want to put a tenant in place. So it's been an awesome journey.
Awesome. Amazing. Podcast 1 finished with Connor. Now we're doing another one with Ben Greenlee. He runs Onyx Title. Podcast studio is amazing. I'm sure that Ronald will put some shots of the podcast studio, but it's amazing. Feeling good. One more podcast. Then we have a student networking event right after this that we have to go rush to. Be sure to like and subscribe for more real estate investing tips and tricks and tits. Both podcasts are done. I can hardly talk anymore. We are heading back to downtown to go to the hotel. We have the Flip System client networking event, so that's going to be fun. Both podcasts went great. They're going to come out amazing. Make sure to stay tuned to my YouTube channel to see those podcasts come out. You guys are really, really going to enjoy them. But now let's go hang out with our other Flip System clients. We're going to go meet and mingle and have a little bit of food, a little bit of drinks and stuff like that. So it'll be a good way to end the night. Let's go. We are at the Flip System networking event. Everybody's back here. It's sponsored by one of our funding partners. We have around 30 people that have showed up, which is absolutely amazing. I'm feeling good. I'm more energized after the couple of podcasts earlier today. We're going to do this for the next hour or two, then go to bed, and we have a big event tomorrow. So it's been great to meet everybody here at this event, learn about their Flip System experience, their investing experience. A lot of people just joined, and they're excited to meet everybody from the team because they're meeting everybody that once they join, they actually get a dedicated person to walk them through Flip System and hold their hand and chat with them and all that kind of stuff. So it's nice because a lot of people are saying it's great to meet everybody in person instead of being on Zoom calls and phone calls and emails and all that kind of stuff. So let's go keep networking. All right, we're at the Flip System Investor Summit. This is by far the biggest investor summit that we ever have. We are at the JW Marriott in downtown LA. People are checking in here. We're having a little bit of breakfast, and then the presentations will begin. Presentations go from like 9 to 5. So super, super pumped and excited for everybody that showed up today. It's gonna be a great one. "10 years ago, Eric and I were sitting in these exact same seats as you all are in today. I just got off stage feeling amazing. I think I did pretty good, right? So just got off the stage with my dad, Boyd's back up there, now telling them about real estate investing. There's about 100 people that have showed up today, so way bigger than the last event we had in Fort Lauderdale. Super excited, super pumped. Let's get back in there. Oh my God, no way.
So you helped me get my first one.
It was a Burr mentor, like the
Yes.
mentorship program.
Yep, so you would have the meetings every Thursday. And
Yeah.
After work, and I'd hop on and I'd ask you questions, and you made it so simple and simplified. I'm like, dude, I have to go meet this guy. So
Holy
appreciate
shit.
it. Thank you for,
Fuck
having me.
yeah.
So now I'm closing on my second one on the 1st next month. So now I'm just trying to figure out how to scale. And I'm talking with other people. They're kind of just telling me like the other lender options with, like the rehab costs, which I didn't know how to do. So
Yeah.
that's a new style for me. So
Hell yeah.
If I can ask you, like, how would you, if you were in my position, and now I'm going house poor, no cash, now I got the 2.
Yeah.
How do I scale? Like, what would be your next step?
Using those 2 as case studies if you can, and try to raise money from friends and family,
Got it.
or selling those. That's why Flip System's great, because it shows you how to sell those assets, get the cash back, and use that cash to keep on buying more and more and more houses.
Got it. Okay, so taking friends and family's cash, putting
To
that
buy
up,
more,
to buy more.
option 1, or selling what you've got to get some equity out, depending on how much you bought it for in
How much-
renovation.
Yeah, if you have equity, right?
Yeah.
Okay, those are kind of the only 2 plays you got.
Yeah. Or
Besides-
hit the lottery,
Yeah, well,
go gambling.
yeah, well, that's not really happening. Antoine, thank you very much for
Thanks for
helping
coming,
me,
man.
And,
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thanks for coming. That guy joined my Burr mentorship program that I had before Flip System that failed. And he's bought 2 houses with the Burr mentorship program that I thought was a piece of shit. That goes to show you that no matter what, you can take action with the information. It's just very little people take action, and a lot of them need teams and tools and software and technology and all this kind of stuff. But a lot of people can go do it themselves. It's just hard as shit. That mentorship was 3 years ago, and he's done 2 deals in those couple of years.
How and where do I find deals, right?
Okay.
The second one, which is I think the bigger hurdle for me, is financing.
Okay.
If I'm relying on just my income, I mean, I think I make good enough money,
Yeah.
but not good enough to buy 3rd or 4th, right?
Okay.
I don't know how to scale.
Okay, gotcha. So, I think Flip System would be good for you. Kelly filled me in.
Oh, yeah.
So I think Flip System would be the right answer for you.
Okay.
Because Flip System actually has a marketplace of deals in there. So
Okay.
deals solved. The deal,
Okay.
we have MLS access. It goes in the Flip System portal.
Sure.
My team analyzes those deals, filters out 3,000 deals down to 300.
Got it.
Good deals that you should go and make an offer on.
Yeah.
We connect you to teams on the ground. You send those deals to your team. They get back to you. You plug in the numbers in the portal.
Right.
3 green dots means good to go.
Okay.
And you move forward.
I see.
Financing.
Yes.
You can make $0, dude.
How?
Because these
At
lenders,
a high level.
this lender is a
Okay.
asset-based lender. They don't give a
Okay.
shit. But, okay, so for example, let's say you quit your IT job and
Yes.
became a full-time real estate investor. With real estate, you get to write off so much shit to where you're making nothing, zilch at the end of the year in the eyes of the IRS. These guys wouldn't have a business if they looked at your income.
Got it.
So that's how you scale. First is the deals. Second is the
Yes.
team on the ground to handle that volume. And then
Okay.
third is the cash and the financing.
I understand. Yeah.
So I know you have the cash to do at least one deal to get rolling.
Yes.
And then the lenders will finance the deals, and they could finance you 100 houses even if you were making no income.
Really?
Yeah.
Is that the DSCR or
Yes.
there's a lot of different
DSCR
models,
and asset-based lenders, very similar.
right? I know that in each of my rental properties I have about 200K equity that's
Amazing.
sitting there.
Yeah.
I don't know how to use that. How do I tap that? Right?
2 options. Refinance, sell it.
My interest rate is at 2.75.
Yep,
So, sell?
sell it.
Oh wow. And then,
Let's say, for example, you join Flip System,
Yes.
you do some deals, things are going well, you enjoy it more than
Yes.
Vegas, then you'll look at the numbers and be like, holy shit, let me sell one of these I need some cash, sell one of these, and I have something to pump it into. Don't do anything with it now.
got it,
There's no
got
need
it.
for you to have, let's say you have 50 grand in the bank. There's no need for you to get more money right now.
I
Just
got it.
chill, test something out, and I would just take the jump, test it out with a couple of deals, make the money back, then figure out, cool, now I have another option that's working for me, my team's great, et cetera, et cetera. All right, the event is now done. We are just finishing up. The last person's presenting. It's been an amazing day. I think I've got a lot of feedback from a ton of people, and they've said that they've learned a lot, they've met a lot of great people, and that's what these whole things are about, is learning and meeting other like-minded people that you don't get to meet on a daily basis. So the event's been absolutely great. We're gonna break right now, which I'm excited about, and we're gonna go to a cocktail reception where now people will get to even meet and mingle anymore for another 2 hours. Right now I think it's like 5 o'clock, 5:30, and we're gonna have a cocktail reception from 6 to 8. So super excited about that. We do have events coming across the country. So head to flipsystem.com to check out other events that we do have coming, and hope to see you at the next one. All right, the Flip System event is finally complete. The event is over. We did presentations from 8:30 all the way to 5:30. Cocktail hour from 6 to 8. Just had a team dinner to celebrate. It was an amazing, amazing time. If you live in a city that we are coming to next, I highly encourage you down below in the link in the description, flipsystem.com. Head over to check out some of the events that we're doing throughout the year. We're coming to many different cities across the country, so if we're coming to your city, please come and meet us, shake our hand, learn about Flip System, how we can help you. Thank you so much for staying until the end of the video, and I'll see you on the next one.
The footage is gonna look like this.